Indexation is a passive investment strategy that aims to match the market's performance rather than trying to beat it. Let's see how it works. At its core, indexation means buying a portfolio of stocks or bonds that mirrors a specific market index, like the S&P 500. Data often shows that a vast majority of active fund managers struggle to consistently beat the broader market index over the long run. Investors gravitate toward index funds because they offer a low-cost, tax-efficient way to capture the growth of the entire market. While active management relies on picking winners, index investing simply accepts the average market return. The trade-off is usually lower costs versus higher risk. This chart shows the typical difference in expense ratios. Over decades, those small savings in fees can compound into significant personal wealth. As the father of index investing John Bogle famously said, "Why hunt for the best stock when you can simply own the entire market?" Indexation is a powerful tool for building long-term wealth. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more money basics and save this for later.